friends, this is Sora, and today I wanted to share a recipe for the souffle cheesecake. So first, start by separating the egg yolk and the white, and repeat this for all 3 eggs. Then prepare a hot water bath and place a bowl over it where you're going to combine the cream cheese and some milk. You can actually heat this up over a stove, but I just like it to be on the safe side so I don't overcook the milk. As long as you can dissolve the cream cheese well, you can do either way. And once the cream cheese is dissolved well, remove it from the hot water bath. Then combine it with 3 egg yolks. Once that's all well combined, sift self-raising flour and cornstarch and fold it well. I would probably recommend you to use a whisk here, not a spatula, but make sure it's lump free. Then start whisking the egg whites to make a firm meringue. Halfway through, add some sugar, divided in 2 parts, just so that you get that very fluffy, airy meringue formed. And once you get a meringue like this, then gently combine it with the batter, and I like to take this in small steps just to make sure that I don't overmix it all. And when it's just combined, pour the batter into the cake tin lined with baking paper. And then decorate it with some sultanas, which is totally optional. And give it a few taps to get rid of the air bubbles on the top. And then we're going to prepare the water bath. So on a tray, put some hot water, place a cake tin, and bake it at 160 degrees for 20 minutes, then 140 degrees for another 20 minutes. And once it's baked, open the oven a little and let it cool gradually, and this avoids it from collapsing. And if you could, I would recommend you to rest this in the fridge for a couple of hours overnight if you could. I personally like it when I cool it in the fridge overnight, but in a couple of hours it should be nice and moist, ready to be served. So this was very moist, fluffy and airy, and it was delicious, so I was very happy with it. And I think the sultanas just gave it a different texture, so I enjoyed that as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and hope to see you soon.